Blockchain technology is still a mysterious or even an intimidating topic. Some even remain skeptical that we are going to use this technology in the future. This skepticism that exists today is understandable, as we are in the early stage in the development of blockchain technology. 2021 is to blockchain what were 1990s to the internet. And like the internet, blockchain technology is anything but a fad. It's here to stay, and if you are watching this, you are early too. So what exactly is blockchain? Blockchain, which is also referred to as distributed ledger technology, makes the digital asset unchangeable and flexible by the use of decentralization and the cryptographic hashing. It seems complicated, and it definitely can be, but the core concept behind it is very simple. Blockchain is a type of database. But to understand blockchain, you need to first understand what actually is a database. A database is a collection of information which is stored electronically on a computer system. Information or data in a database is typically in a structured format, which is nothing but a tabular format, which allows for easy searching and filtering out the data to get the specific results. So how does blockchain differs from a database? So the first difference is storage structure. One key difference between the typical database and a blockchain is the way data is structured. A blockchain collects information in groups, which is known as blocks, which holds the set of information. So blocks have certain storage capacity, and when they are full, they are linked to the previously filled blocks, which makes a chain of data, which is known as blockchain. So the main difference is a typical database structures its data in the form of table, whereas the blockchain structures its data into the block of chains, which is known as blockchain. So before going further, if you're liking this video, please hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to get the latest updates. This will really motivate me to make such interesting videos for you. The second difference is decentralization. So like databases, Bitcoin needs a collection of computers to store their blockchains. So what are Bitcoins? I don't think it needs an introduction, and I hope you already know about it. So for Bitcoin, the blockchain is just a type of database which stores the information about every Bitcoin transaction ever made. So unlike most databases, these computers are not all under one roof. So some of the computers or a group of computers are operated by the individual or a group of individual. And the third difference is transparency. So because of the decentralized nature of Bitcoin's blockchain, all the transactions can be viewed transparently. So because of this, each node has its own copy of chain, which has been updated whenever the new block has been added. It means that if you wanted to, you could track the Bitcoin wherever it goes. Now we will see the three main components of blockchain. So the blockchain consists of three main concepts: blocks, nodes and miners, that we will see in detail. So the first one is blocks. So every chain consists of multiple blocks, and these blocks has three main elements. So the first one is the data in the block. The second one is a 32-bit whole number, which is known as nonce, and the third one is the 256-bit number, which is weighted to the nonce, which is known as hash. So when the first block of chain is created, the nonce generates a cryptographic hash. So the data in the block is considered to be forever tied to the nonce and the hash unless it is mined. The second element is miners. So the miners creates new blocks on the chain with the process known as mining. So in blockchain, every block has its own unique nonce and hash, but it also references the hash of the previous block. So mining a block isn't easy, especially on the long chains. So to tackle these problems, miners use the specialized software which solves the complex math problem, which finds out the nonce, which generates an accepted hash. And the third element of blockchain is nodes. So one of the most important concepts in the blockchain technology is decentralization, that we have seen in the earlier topic. So not one computer can own the chain. Instead, it is distributed ledger via the nodes which connects to the chain. So the nodes can be any kind of electronic devices which stores the copies of blockchain and keeps the network functioning. So I hope you got a clear idea what really is a blockchain technology. Now let's discuss some benefits of blockchain. So the first one is greater trust. With blockchain as a member of member-only network, you will get accurate and timely data, and your confidential blockchain records will be shared only to the members whom you have provided access to. The second benefit is greater security, as all the validated transactions are immutable and are recorded permanently. Literally no one, not even a system administrator, can delete that transaction, which clearly means the blockchain assures you the greater security. And the third benefit is more efficiency. With a distributed ledgers which is shared across the members of a network, time wasting record reconciliation will be eliminated, which improves the overall efficiency of the process. So these are all the major benefits of blockchain technology. So to wrap this up, with many promising real-world use cases as well as the benefits of blockchain, this technology is here to stay. As more companies realize the potential of blockchain technology, they will invest more time and efforts to develop a product around the blockchain technology. While we understand that the blockchain technology will remain the difficult topic for many, it doesn't mean it needs to be for you.